Hi, this is Chris from the Malware Research Group. Today I'm going to be testing for cloud-based anti-malware applications. These are BluePoint Security, Prevex, Immunet Protect and Panda Cloud. We're using a VM which is XP Pro, Service Pack 3 with all the latest updates, and we're going to be using 50 samples of malware which we downloaded within the last 24 hours. We know what they are, and we're going to be conducting a live infection test. The methodology we're going to be using is going to be that we're going to run a on-demand or system scan to see if the applications being tested discover or detect the malware, and if it does, we will delete them, because we'll take it as a given that if they can find it as on-demand, then they would also find it as on exe. Okay, I'm going to start by testing BluePoint Security. This is the latest version, 1.0.0.75. It doesn't have a right-click scan option, so I'm going to conduct a system scan. It's all set with the default settings as it comes straight out of the box. I have updated it, so it is definitely the latest version. Of course, it doesn't actually rely on local signatures because it's a cloud-based system. Okay, what I'll do, I'll start a quick scan. Not sure how long this will take, several minutes I imagine. And as I say, the methodology is that if it detects some, then we will delete those, as it's a given that it would also detect them should they be executed whilst it's running. So what I'll do in the meantime is pause this video and restart it again once it's underway scanning properly. Hi, welcome back. It's finished scanning now, and quite surprisingly, for an on-demand scan, it's found all 50, which means we're not going to run any live infection tests, which would have been quite interesting with this, because the way BluePoint works is that it intercepts every file that might be executed before it's actually allowed to execute, and it compares that file to a list of known good applications. So in essence, it will not allow anything to execute unquestioned if it doesn't know that it's good. And I believe that once it finds a file that isn't on its whitelist, so to speak, it then scans it using its cloud scan engine. And in our experience, we've never yet managed to get anything to get past this. We've thrown all sorts of things at it, and it's stood up to it. So all in all, as you can see, it seems to be fairly effective in this test. I'll just click on the Fix Now button to see if it actually does remove these samples. Okay, bit strange that. It's saying threats removed 41, threats quarantined 10. Unless of course it's picked up a cookie or something. But in either case, let's have a look just to make sure it has actually removed everything. Yes, and it has. Okay, so that's 100% for BluePoint Security.